Hi, my name's Braden Jarrett and I'm from O'Brien Real Estate in Mornington. It's with great pleasure that I introduce you to 39 Stanley Street, Frankston. Let's go inside and take a look. This well-presented 3-bedroom family home has plenty of charm and character and will motivate those looking to purchase in the central Frankston area. Thank you for viewing the video. If you care to view the property on a private inspection, please give us a call. We'd be happy to take you through. We look forward to seeing you at Saturday's open home inspection.